I'm standing in front of the former office of the Hague branch of the Rotterdamsche Lloyd, a shipping company which has shipping lines to the former Dutch colony, the East Indies. Above the entrance of the building is a statue of a distinguished Indonesian lady by the sculptor Hendrik van den Einde. She is holding a ship in the left hand while looking into the horizon. The statue is named the Call of the East, and many travelers and Indiëgangers could not resist that call and booked their passage here. I'm showing an Art Deco enamel advertising sign of the company. This illustration was also made as a poster design and is considered to be one of the most attractive naval posters of its time. The enamel version in such superb condition is extremely rare. The designer is Johann von Stein, and the piece is executed at the firm of Langcat Bussum in the 1930s. The Art Deco style and geometric layout of the vertical and horizontal lines command attention. The viewer looks out from the mainland in shadow at the ship, a majestic giant from the sea, glittering while in the tropical sun. The oceanic giant appears even larger due to its reflection on the smooth surface of the water. The Rotterdamsche Lloyd shipping line ship was named after the Willebrord volcano on the island Java in Indonesia. In 1940, this ship was confiscated by the Nazis, who used it as a hospital ship and renamed it Strasbourg. In 1943, it was torpedoed by the English, and it still lies at the bottom of the sea 1.3 miles north of IJmuiden, the Netherlands. This enamel advertising sign will be offered in our Indonesian Art Sale on the 8th of September.